بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I pray each and every single one of you is doing well. I came across something so amazing that Sayyidina Uthman radiyallahu anhu has mentioned. It is reported by Sufyan. عن سفيان قال عثمان رضي الله عنه لو أن قلوبنا طهرت ما شبعت من كلام الله. عن سفيان قال عثمان رضي الله عنه لو أن قلوبنا طهرت ما شبعت من كلام الله. Sufyan reported that Uthman radiallahu anhu said, if our hearts were pure, we would never be tired of the speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, i.e. the Quran. And let's ask ourselves this question: is this my state, that when I recite the Holy Quran I get bored? Or are we from amongst those individuals when the Quran is recited before them, wajilat qulubuhum, their hearts begin to tremble, وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُ, when the verses of the Holy Quran are recited before them, زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا, it increases them in their belief and their iman? Or are we from amongst those individuals that when we listen to the Quran or we read the Quran, it does nothing but bore us and we cannot wait to close the Holy Quran and put it away? Are we from amongst those people who read one verse and we are addicted that we have to read the next, and then we are addicted to read the next? Are we from amongst those people whose day and night is constantly surrounded in the recital of the Holy Quran? So let these words of Sayyidina Uthman radiyallahu anhu strike a chord with you. لو أن قلوبنا طهرت, if our hearts were pure, ما شبعت من كلام الله, we would never be tired of the speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala use these words for me but not against me on the day of Qiyamah. If you enjoyed or if you are enjoying these reminders, please like, share and subscribe. Get us to 500 subscribers. Share it with your friends and family so they can also enjoy and benefit from these reminders. Remember Islam daily in your humble du'as. We have some very big announcements coming very soon. Remember me in your du'as. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.